oi, 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 oi. I'm gaining. So today's recipe is diet recipe. Those who wanna eat tasty Japanese food but healthy. Because we will use today tofu, it will taste exactly like okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki takoyaki is junk food. Ramen is also junk food, so be careful. But this will exactly taste like okonomiyaki with tofu and this. If you ever eat only one time okonomiyaki, you might think, oh, this is okonomiyaki. That level of same taste. Let's see. So first, 60 grams of long onion. Then back flip. Then straight. And save it to any bowl. And this one too. And this is the only thing you will cut with knife and chopping board. You can wash. Put in a bowl, tofu, 350 gram, 350 gram. From here, you use punch hand, then push. If you push, it's gonna be there's a water coming out. Punch and push and water remove. It's gonna be like endless, but 3-4 times. Okay, remove water. Then inside a bowl, put your onion. Then what you will put is where? Yeah, here. Shirodashi. This one I got in the Shopee. So if you go Shopee, you can get exactly same. 300 peso or something like that. 1 big teaspoon of Shirodashi. And this one, cornstarch. 3.5 big teaspoon of cornstarch. Then this one, mix. Easy, right? Very easy. Then we will grill. Middle heat is okay. 1 big teaspoon of sesame oil. And with spoon, put on. Already sesame oil and shirodashi smells really good. Check the outside sometimes. Okay, this smells already okonomiyaki. It's like poteju okonomiyaki. Ooh. Even looks like okonomiyaki, no? Oh yeah, I have this one. Tuturu. Cool, no? Looks like cute okonomiyaki. Easy, right? Easy and healthy. Yeah, just tofu and long onion, then you can enjoy okonomiyaki. No bad. Then put in the plate. Then okonomiyaki sauce, or I like this sauce, so I will use it. Ooh. And if you have bonbon, what's bonbon? Bonito, bonbon. Then mayo. If you're really on diet, don't put mayo. But if you don't care, kain na tayo. Uisho. Itadakimasu. Smells like okonomiyaki. Tastes even like okonomiyaki. Good, good. Let's say, for example, Dotonbori in ATC, I go there, then if I eat, I'm like, okonomiyaki. That level of like same taste. But tofu, as okonomiyaki, very good. Maybe ajipon, ponzu, if you have, it's hard to get in the Philippines, but if you go to Japanese store, you get ponzu. Different sauce. It's like more vinegar style, more fresh. If you don't like sauce taste, yeah, crazy. I'm totally forgot about I'm eating tofu. Ponzu is more, feel like healthier. Mix with sauce and ponzu. Masarap, masarap. 9.5 out of 10 as okonomiyaki. So if you want to eat okonomiyaki but you want to be healthy, be on diet, then made by tofu and long onion, then little ingredients, okonomiyaki-ish. So it's very easy, diba? I hope you enjoy watching, and or if you cook, more enjoyable. Thanks for watching. Mata na.